guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm having a soup today, guys, and I thought I'm gonna have to have it with you guys because you know you guys are gonna have to hang out with me. So come on. Anyway, guys, I've got a pork chop inside here and some rice noodle. Some rice noodle, guys. So I'll be putting this pork chop, and I've got a broth. It's still boiling hot. Anyway, so I'm gonna put these. It's 2 pork chop, guys. Look at that. Wait, behave yourself, mate. Behave yourself. Yeah, they've got the green onion on top of it. So I'll get it in. Shake on here. Oh, I forgot to get the bean sprout and stuff like that, but I'm too hungry to focus on that. So get the broth and I'm going to put it in there. Yeah, this soup is from hot. This this soup is not from that hot. It's from Forever soup place, food, restaurant, whatever. Oh, a little bit of broth. Get it? Ta-da! Yeah, so I didn't get my bean sprouts. So rude. So put that over there, and you go back over there as well. And you follow your mama. Yeah, that's right. So guys, you'll be hearing motorbikes and stuff because there's a park thing at the back there, and they're rooming everywhere. Rum. Don't even come and get me. Yeah, a bit of pepper. Ooh. Smells nice, the pepper. When I was a little kid, I used to get the pepper and sort of sniff it just to sneeze. I know, it's a weird thing to do, but as a child, some children do some funny things. Oh yeah, I see bean sprout in there. Oh, lady. So it's down the bottom. But I like the basil, you know, the basil leaf. Does my hair look, hey, I combed it, and look at it, it's trying to misbehave in front of the camera. Oh, you're wondering, what's underneath the foil? Were you wondering that? I know you were. Don't. Well, in this little square bowl here, it's chicken and some vegetables and a bit of sauce. And I've got my keg and mortar here, so that's ready to go. My salt and pepper. So guys, I'm going to get a prayer going, and then we're going to eat, guys. We're going to send thanks, okay? And then we're going to eat together, right? Okay guys, now it's time to eat. I'm thinking, what's this black thing flying around in there? Yeah. All goods. Guys, we are sharing, okay? And if the bowl falls down, it's my fault. Yeah, see? You think you ain't gonna get any? No, we don't do things like that, we share. Yeah. Whakaria. Yeah. And get some chicken and put it in here. You know what, fork? Yeah, wherever you let. Get some chicken. Okay. soup went cold a little bit, but I warmed it up real hot in the microwave. It's good. So, how's everyone going? Look at the pork chop. Oh, it's like dark in here, eh? Do I look dark? Yes, you black girl. Nice pork chop. It's got a nice flavour. Excuse to those that don't eat pork chop. Anyway, right. I asked my daughter to get this for me before she goes to work. So she's in there eating with her grandma. And my mum's watching Hulk. The Green Man Hulk. This is really nice. The Asians, they're really good cooks, I tell you. And it's good that they come and help the Samoans cook some nice food too. Well, that's why we know how to cook our food from the Asians, from the Chinese influence. I'm hungry, guys. It's quite a lot of beans, but whenever I have like hot broth or something, you know, you get a runny nose. And if you have chili in there, it's even worse. I was watching on YouTube how everyone, you know, like upset, even myself, about that cop that kneeled on that black guy's neck, and from that, the poor man ended up dying days later in jail because they say allegedly, Wendy always says allegedly, yeah, because he didn't get the medical attention that he needed, that he was crying out for. So, that's what's happening so far in America, and it's so sad. It's so sad, because if that was one of our family members, guys, it would be hurtful, you know? I mean, it's hurtful that we watch it, and we're not even family to this man, but yet it feels hurtful, you know? How a human life can be, you know, like, treated like that, you know? From police, it's meant to serve and protect, not serve and, you know, hurt. This is so actually nice, guys. This is why I bought these chicken bits, because I wanted to add it with my soup. And then the vegetables, oh, broccoli. Who likes broccoli? I love broccoli. But a vegetable that I hated when I was a child was cabbage. It was horrible. It was torture. So it didn't help when my mum loves cooking with cabbage. Yeah, that's how I felt every time she was like, "Ai, the busy. Ai." I'm sure she used to lie to me about that. She'll go, "Oh yeah, I can't busy get my lossy, eh?" And I thought, I can leave here my lossy, Take it away. What was your worst vegetable growing up? Some kids say they love vegetables. I saw this video on Facebook about this lady. She feeds her children vegetables, and I watch them how they eat it, and they really enjoy it. And I think, oh, good on her as a mum, you know. I'm not eating the blubber, but I'll eat this. I've been getting a lot of requests to make cookings, to make certain foods. I'm working on it, guys. I'm working on it. I don't know what sauce that they use for their pork, but it's really tasty. My favorite noodle soup is from Bankstown. My second pork chop. Oh, I didn't know it do me a thumbnail. Never got thumbnail. Ang thumbnail that if you ate it. You know what? My early videos, can you hear that motorbike? I can. My early videos, I use a lot of tissues. I would have a box. By the time I'm finished, it's nearly finished too. And the box will be brand new. I don't know where you guys are in the world watching me, but thanks for having me in your home, on your phone. Seki akako. Okay, someone said to give them a shout out and I left the book over there. Won't be long, guys. Oh, yes, I just remembered. Guys, please, okay, I know I have to come to you guys, I have to ask you guys because I need, please, to support these Cook Island. Pardon me, woo! That burp, oh, sounds good, but no, you know what? Before I used to hold in my burps, right? But I was told it's not good for me, it's not good for my system, because God planned our bodies to let out gas there and gas somewhere else. I'm not telling you where, but you guys can figure that one out. Anyway, see, what was I saying? I can't remember. Oh yeah, I remember. Oh, see, what was it? Okay, guys. So, Katrina and Asia are needing help, please, to get to 1,000, and they ain't gonna get it if they're not gonna get some good loving viewers like you guys. See, it's Katrina and Asia, guys. They're Cook Islanders. They love to talk about God. The love of God just comes out all the time, and that's how you know people that that worships God wholeheartedly, because it's the way they talk about him all the time, So guys, please, if you don't mind, just hop over there to Katrina and Asia's channel and subscribe, please, and so you guys can watch more, please. Katrina and Asia, they'll really appreciate that, guys. How much they need? They need about 300 guys, 300 of you lovely people to get over there and show that poly support. Se o ia se awha yaku au si kai mai. Se whera se baelia. Just joking. You know, you guys are my friends, right? You guys are my Polytube family. Wait, Lord, Katrina and Asia want you guys to be their family too. And, okay, there was La Luicha. Okay, the name will be down there, so if I say it wrong, it's that person. Wants me to mention that I look sicky. Oh, my food looks... I look sicky. My food looks sicky, like sickier, on my video, some on Language Week video, guys. So, La Liu... Hang on, guys. Okay, it's La Liu Cha. Okay, I had to say it like that, to space it out in case I, say something that sounds like a swear word or something. Anyway, guys, hello to you. I just wanted to shout you out because you mentioned it. Someone else asked for a shout out. This book is so... Yeah, guys, so if you guys don't mind hopping over there to Katrina and Asia, that'll be for awesome. Don't tell David I said that, okay? Because I'm not teasing him. It's just something that we islanders say. Wait a while. I don't want him knocking on my door. You know what's funny? At the restaurant, you get a big bowl. Well, when you order to take away, you get a little minty bowl. delicious. I like that you guys are, you know, going around supporting all the Polytubers, and yeah, I like that you guys are going around watching and supporting all the other channels, guys, because it's so awesome. Because without you guys, we is like cricket sounds. Beep, beep, beep. I don't know how to make the cricket sound, guys, but in my mind, there's cricket sounds in my microphone. Yeah, wala ya. Kalango. Okay, that's not funny. He was laughing at me. Hey! Oh, you troublemaker. Rude. Throw it out. Oh, fuck mom, I throw it down. It reminds me of my oyster video. I done that oyster video and I was just about to pop the oyster in my mouth and it shot out and fell onto the plate or something like that. It was so embarrassment. Wait. Anyway, okay. I'm going to get me a new book. I'm going to pimp it up. Pimp it up. Pimp it up. And I told my daughter, can you please organize my book? Because I tell you what, it starts off, you know how you start off something real nice, and then after that it's upside down? You know, that's me. Anyway, so I asked her, she didn't reply, so it's probably a, no mom, I'm tired. But if you say, baby, you want to go shopping? Oh yeah, grabbing the shoes and everything. Kids these days, hey guys, you know, kids back in the days, they were more obedient than the kids these days, eh? Ah, I know. I don't know. Maybe it's just my kids. Oh. You hear the motorbike? It's good that they use the park to do it, as long as they do it safely, because there's no one walking around there. Hardly anyone walks around there. Only during the school time, and the kids cross through there. Cheers, guys. I can't get water. It's hard to drink any other water, even the water from the shop. I bought some water from the shop. I've got 2 packets over there. Because you know how that pandemic thing was happening? I thought I'll get me some water just in case my machine breaks down. Woo! And I even got me some toilet paper. I don't know. I just did because you know what? We do not want to go to the toilet and there's no toilet paper. Oh, I love that. Oh, I should do it. But then my daughters, they know the trick. Do you see the ones that when the mamas are calling her, Jonathan, come and bring me a toilet paper. And then they come and pass the toilet paper and then they smudge the Nutella on their finger, on their hand. Some cry straight away and some is like real detectives, you know, like investigators, FBI's, and they'll look at it and, you know, estimate it and you know, and then they don't cry. But the ones that get it and they wah straight away, and then they wah wah, it smells Nutella, and then yeah. Anyway, guys, back to eating my food. Sometimes I'm sucking up so hard, I'm getting sore jaws, and it's not coming up. Okay. Not much of a fan of carrots. The only time I'll eat carrots, it's so weird. The only time I'll eat carrots is when I make corn silver side. Carrots, mashed potato, white sauce, and sometimes I'll have broccoli or cauliflower. That's when I can eat carrots. That's my sister. That's my daughter making a noise. I think she's just going to. Bye! Thanks for the food! Thank you, love! Nah, Aruia, go kick you out, eh? Yeah, bye, Charlie. That's my darling daughter that always helps me. This broth is so lovely. Yeah, lately, I don't know, must be my old age. I'm starting to Uber eat my food more. Just got a bit of blubber, but I'll eat it. I'm starting to. Tasty sauce that they put on this pork. I'm starting to Uber Eats on my food. So I get one for me and my mama and the little kids. The older ones, all for themselves. Everyone for themselves. Or I order Yui Eats or Yui Meals for my mum. So they come in like little packets like this. Oh, hang on. Yeah, little meals like this. And chefs make it, I heard. Okay. And it has barbecue, slow cooked shanks, mashed potato, vegetables. Then they have another meal will be Moroccan chicken with rice. Oh, so rude. Like my ali, if I the video like I have a piece of my lang ka valley. I'll just broth. Anyway, what was I saying before? I was really interrupted by my neighbour. Do you know what I was saying? I can't remember. Yeah. Fakari. Memory, come back to me. I'm thinking about my shopping list. Sorry guys, what was I thinking? Hurry, come to me. Knock knock, are you there? No, I'm going shopping. Without me? Yeah. That's rude too. Anyway, guys, what was I saying? Wale Mankua. So sad. You know what? Okay, this what happened. Now that I know my daughter's left, there's only my son inside now with my mum. So worry is creeping in. Yep. So my mind is going that way. Vai era TikTok ka haka ia wa ia fali. Ayo. Not even TikTok. I did a TikTok with my daughter and I watched myself. I was like, oh, Sophia, serious? delete. Yeah, so the song, you have to just go like this. And here's me. Like, who the heck do I think I am? So cool, yeah. Don't be like that. You gotta put in the actions, mate. Action. Dude, no, you see. Okay, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. Thank you. Really appreciate you guys. Lovely to, guys, my next video is gonna be something. A request from 2 people. I couldn't find the name of the other person, so I found the name of one person. So I'm going to bring that up to you guys. So that's my next one. Okay, guys? So come and hang out with me. Yeah, I can't. See, come, it's at 720,000 o'clock. Wait, Lord, that's the time you come and hang out. But for now, I'd say goodbye. Or take care of yourselves. Listen, I asked my niece Myra. She should start a video with her daughter, because her daughter's, she likes to talk, and that's the kind of people that you want on the video, like chatterbox like her auntie over here, blah, 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 never stop, this one here. So, I asked Myra too, so fingers crossed, toes crossed, and everything else crossed, yeah. So for guys, take care. God bless, okay? Always remember to give thanks to God, guys, because, without God, we are nothing. And always, I'll tell you something, guys. Always try and do good to the next person. You don't have to go and do good to the next person, but don't do bad things to the next person, because you know what? I always say, God is watching. And if you're not a good person, God sees everything, guys. So just be nice, just be courteous, civilized, and everything that comes with that kind of, love. God is love, I always say. God is love, guys. See, if you love, there's no hatred coming out. Wailoa. So you guys take care. Whāsai fua. Whāsai fua. I know. I'm still thinking, what was the subject I was telling you guys, and then I'll probably remember half an hour later, guys. But sorry, I didn't finish off that conversation. But let me know down in the comment what I was meant to say, and I didn't finish off because some rude car went past, and a motorbike, the motorbike's far away, but it was that car that went past. Yeah, I've got a lot of noisy people around here, but I've got good neighbours. They all keep to themselves. Oh, knock on wood, because I don't want any bad neighbour syndrome around here. No, they're all good. They just keep to themselves. I wave out now and then when their man wants to wave out to me. His wife sometimes wants to wave out to me, but they just do their own thing. They do their own thing. They mind their business, we mind ours, and that's what you need. Peace and harmony. Peace and harmony. There was this beautiful song I used to love singing at church, guys. There's peace in the valley. Da, 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 da. Join hands with Jesus as we carry. I don't even know the words. Whāsai fua.